In this video, I'll show you how to maintain physical inventory counting or inventory stock taking in the database. Stock taking is a procedure of counting the inventory items on hand, which is requirement of the periodic inventory system. The main part of a stock taking process is an actual count of all inventory items in stock in all the warehouses and other storage locations. Once counted, collection of the count sheets has to be done and actual counts need to be entered into the system by using inventory reconciliation documents. If there is any deviation in actual count and the accounting data, this is considered as a variance. Further review of the variance need to be done, and it is important to find the reasons and the sources of this discrepancy. To access the inventory reconciliation document, go to Warehouse module, open Inventory Reconciliation document from Stock Taking Documents. To create a new document of inventory reconciliation, click on Create option. Once the form opens, fill in all the required details. In the Warehouse field, select a warehouse where the count will be performed. In the Entity field, select the legal entity of your organization which is responsible for this transaction. In the comment text box, you can enter any additional information about this document. Once the main tab is filled, move on to the Inventory tab. Here you can create a list of items stocked at the warehouse or in a particular bin location. Enter the actual quantities resulting from the actual counting. Initially, you can automatically populate the list by using the Fill button on the toolbar. The following options are available. Fill by balance at the warehouse. It is to populate the list with the items stocked at the warehouse. Refill accounting data. It is to add the list of the items available at the warehouse according to the accounting data and populate the accounting quantity and accounting amount column. Use the option Refill accounting data for selected rows to cancel the changes in the selected rows and roll back to the accounting data. Refill by price kind. It is to replace the prices for the listed items with the prices of the selected type. In this example, I'll fill this tab using Fill by balance at warehouse. Once clicked, all the available list of items in the database will be populated. The items, characteristics, batch, serial number accounting will be the data when the items were taken inward to the company's warehouse. The quantity column is populated by the book quantity of the items or the quantity available at the warehouse. When entering the count data, enter the actual quantity at the warehouse location, since this column is editable and should be the balance you hold physically in the warehouse. The accounting quantity shows the total quantity of the items according to the accounting data. The deviation column shows the difference between the quantity and the quantity accounting column. Unit of measure column shows the unit of measure used for the item in the warehouse. The amount column shows the amount calculated for the item's quantity currently available in the warehouse. And amount accounts column shows the amount of the items according to the books. Once the data is checked for all the items, check the date and save the document. The variances need to be corrected to have a correct stock taking calculation. Once these variances are approved for this inventory reconciliation document, generate inventory receipt or inventory write-off document as per the requirement. According to IFRS, if it is found that the net realizable value or specific inventory item has declined below their cost, you can create an inventory write-off document to reduce the cost in the database. But the inventory write-off document should only write off the amount part. Kindly refer the video how to write off inventory for further detail. Or you can generate inventory receipt to register the items quantities that were not on the book and set the appropriate cost for these items or adjust the cost only. Kindly refer the video how to work with inventory receipt for further information. That's how you maintain the process of stock taking and correct the accounting data in accordance with the result of counting. Thanks for watching the video.